Happy 50th birthday, Milet from Calamba, Laguna, Philippines.
Hooray! Hi Milet, Ading, happy birthday! Oh, golden age ka na. Tignan mo. Pero ganda-ganda yung pagkanta mo talaga.
Hola. Feliz cumpleaños, Auntie Milet.
Happy birthday, Tita. Wish you more birthdays to come. Good health always and more travels to come. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Hoping to see you all soon. Love you. Bye. Happy birthday.
Oh!
Happy birthday, Tita Milet. We love you.
Happy birthday, sister. Ayun lang. Sana enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon.
Hi Milet. So, another year na naman pala. Patay na naman tayo dyan. Mukhang pag nagkakaedad ka nadadagdagan ka ng edad, nadadagdagan rin kami lahat So, happy birthday, enjoy your day, enjoy the party. Sana malasing mo yung mga nandiyan dyan at walang magwawala. At sana i-bless pa rin kayo palagi ni Lord. At enjoy yung mga apo dyan. And all the best on your birthday. Okay, bye-bye. Work muna. We'll see you soon. Okay, maybe next year. Bye-bye.
Hello everybody, good morning. I don't know if it's morning or evening there, but here it's morning. As promised, Joel, first thing in the morning, yan ang ginawa ko. Hindi pa ako nag-uumpisang magtrabaho. Ito na ginawa ko. At least maliwanag. Kasi kagabi hindi pwede, madilim. Kahit pasabihin mo, madilim naman kaming pareho nung magbe-birthday. Anyway, happy birthday sis! My God, tumatanda na tayo. Parang kailan lang nasa Quiapo tayo, iikot-ikot, di ba? Ngayon may mga apo na tayo. And I know, we've been through a lot. Both of us. Like heavens and hells. Hindi lang heaven and hell, may S. Kasi marami tayo, alam mo yung pinagdaanan ko at alam ko rin yung mga pinagdaanan mo. But still, fighting. And I'm so happy that I can see you are successful as a family and as individual. Successful mother, successful woman. And that's what is important, yeah? Okay, anyway, kailangan ko mag-isang magtrabaho. Inuna lang talaga kita, sis. Happy birthday. And Joel, yung pangako mo sa akin, napapautangin mo ko. Mag-a-apply ako ng US visa pag binigyan mo na ako pag pinautang mo na ako ng pamasahe papunta dyan. I will try. And sana kayo din makapasyal dito sa Dubai. So, kailangan na natin mag-enjoy. Tumatanda na tayo. Di ba? Sis, happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. I miss you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo Milet. Happy birthday, Lolo Milet. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lolo Milet. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Milet.
Happy birthday, Tita Milet.
Enjoy. We love you.
Bye.
Hello, Ate Milet. Good morning. Happy 50th birthday to you. Sana maging maligaya ka sa araw ng iyong kaarawan. At sana humaba pa ang iyong buhay. Magkita-kita tayo next time. I love you. Mwah, mwah. Chup, chup.
Happy birthday, Tita Milet, the big 5-0. You don't look a day over 25, big prrrr.
Happy birthday, Ate Milet. 50 years old. You look very, very good. Anyway, hope you have a good birthday. Wishing you well. Wishing you happiness. Wishing you more to come. We love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Milet. Wishing you all the best and sana matupad nyo ang lahat ng pinapangarap nyo at i-enjoy mo ang bawat araw na dumadaan kasi biyaya ito galing sa may kapal. Wishing you happiness and good health. God bless you always. Okay na.
Happy birthday, Tita Milet!
Happy birthday, pamangkin. Sana bigyan ka ng Diyos ng magandang kalusugan sa araw-araw at mahabang buhay. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tita Milet!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Milet!
We miss you and love you.
Take care and ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, San, Mare. Good health sa'yo palagi. Love you, Tita. Love you. Mwah.
Hi, Insan! Welcome to the club! The 50s Club! Kahit na nauna lang ako sa ng ilang araw. But anyway, cheers to another year filled of adventures and beautiful memories. Happy birthday, Insan! Love you! Bye!
Happy birthday, Milet! I wish you good health, long life, and lifetime happiness. More birthdays to celebrate with your family. More blessings to come. Hinay-hinay sa work kasi medyo nagkakaedad na. And I know naman na you're strong woman. Kasi alam kong madami ka mang pinagdaanan. Pero alam kong na-survive mo na yon. Basta ipagpatuloy mo lang din kung ano man yung pangarap na meron ka at para sa pamilya mo. Keep fighting lang, kaya mo yan. Enjoy your birthday, Milet. Hope to see you soon again. I missed you. Happy birthday.